and I'm back with a Wantable unboxing. There is no label on my box this time, but I know it is Wantable, and I am really excited. This is the style edit. My active edit is coming, I think, later this week actually, so I should have another video up here shortly. I've had this one for a couple days. I'm really excited to take a peek at what I got. A little housekeeping. I'm just setting up my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page. You can follow me at Shawna Jean PNW, as in Pacific Northwest, on any of those social media platforms. And if you want to, let me know the kind of stuff you want to see on them. I'm pretty new to it. I'm just starting those off, so let me know what you want on those guys. All right, for now, let's see what I got. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here. Okay, here is the first thing. Oh, whatever it is soft. It's a sweater. I'm trying to figure out how it works. Ooh, look at how cute that is. With the little buttons on the shoulder and the little open neck there. Oh, and this is really, really soft. I am really excited to try that on. Oh, I hope that's cute. It is amazing how it feels. Okay, the next thing is, it is a green, a really neat color green. Oh, look at that. Like, I don't even know, Dolman sleeve top. It's super thin. The color is great. It's a little bit, it's not banded at the bottom, but it's fitted more. It looks humongous, so I think it's gonna be really drapey, but we'll try that on. That feels really nice too. Next thing is by Z Supply. Oh, and it's like a little, a black cardigan. And it's really soft too. Is this the soft style edit? Because it feels amazing. And I actually I was just thinking the other day I needed it, but it's cotton. It's not like, it's a knit cotton. It's not a sweater material. It is nice. And when I mean cotton, it's probably lycra spandex cotton blend or something like that. But regardless, it's soft. And this is by West K-E-I, and this one is, I can feel it's polyester, but it has some kind of mix in it. It's real stretchy, thin, and it's got, I think it ties at the bottom. I'm not usually into like a tie bottom, but hey, I'll give it a go. We'll see. It looks pretty interesting. Oh no, I don't like these. What are these called? Tab sleeves, something. I'm not that into them, but we'll try it on, give it a go, see how it looks. Oh, what's this deep in the box? There's so much stuff in here. Oh, I almost just put it on, I got excited. Oh, slow down, Shawna. It's a puffy jacket. Look at this puffy jacket. Okay, I just about got excited and just put it on. It's kind of, I can't even tell what color it is. It's like a dark pink, like, I don't even know what that is. What color is that? Like a burnt pink? I don't know. Who gave me this job? Oh, I need more adjectives. All right. Okay, then we have some Mavi jeans, which I got Mavi jeans. Who did I get Mavi jeans from? From Stitch Fix? And they were kind of scratchy, and I didn't love them. They were straight leg, which was okay. These are skinnies, and they feel really soft, and they look good. So we're gonna give those a go. And last but not least, what are these? What are these? Look at, what is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, they're joggers. They're Dear John joggers with like elastic waistband and like zipper pockets and some kind of, I don't know, it's not animal print, like pattern to them. Let's see the bottom. They're soft. They're like little elastic bottoms. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's exciting. Trying on fun clothes. All right, let me go try on the first outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, so I was going to put on the jacket, And I was like, this jacket's kind of amazing. And I unzipped it to put it on. I'm already in love with it. And guess what I found? It's Sherpa on the inside! Yay! I am so excited! Well, wait, I want to put it back on. It's so soft on the inside. Wait, how does it look though? How does it look? I better zip it up again. I'm so excited about this jacket. It is Sherpa on the inside. Oop, it's sticking. Uh-oh. Don't get crazy. It's got big pockets. It's a different color than I usually see. I think the length is good. It zips. This jacket is totally fun. I hope it's like a good price. It's by Thread and Co. I don't know. Look, I'll put it down here. You can look. I can't remember, but oh, I'm in love with this jacket. I don't know why I don't have anything like this, and it seems real fun. Okay. Also, I got this green shirt, which, stop it is so cute. It's just like a regular Dolman, but I love a Dolman look, and I think the neckline is really flattering. The green is a really pretty green. I don't have anything like it. And the waist is fitted, but not the kind that's like gonna pull up and then you're wearing it around, you know, your middle for half the day, which is annoying. Okay, the Mavi jeans have fake pockets. They have pockets. They're not like those kind that are like sewn shut, which I can't handle. They at least have like little dumb pockets. We'll call these dumb pockets, but they're pockets. I like these. My husband said they made my booty look good, so that's a win for the Mavi jeans. What do you think? They're skinny. I like the wash. They have a really small frayed hem. Right at the ankle. What do you think? I kind of feel like this outfit plus a jacket is a total winner. All right, let's see what the next one looks like. Okay, here's the next sweater, and this is really cute too. I love the detail on it. The buttons, the neckline, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not used to it. It makes me feel real awkward, but I like it anyways. It has some neat different textures in it that I'm really loving. It seems like such a classic nice sweater. What do you think? I think it fits great. The color is great. Just seems really classic and nice. My only thing I worry about is it too nice right now. I don't have anywhere to wear it. But then I also feel like this isn't a sweater that's going to go out of style. This is kind of classic in your wardrobe forever and you could wear it. Tell me what you think though. Because I'm not going out to dinner or anything at the moment, so. But it's really cute. This may be a good add to the wardrobe. Look how cute the little buttons are. Adorable. All right, let me go try on the next shirt. Okay, here's the next shirt, and okay, so I like the V-neck. I think it's really flattering. Even the buttons down the front are cute, and it lays really nice. It's a really good fit, I think. All right, these are the things I don't like. I don't like these sleeves. I don't love polyester. I'm totally turning into my mother, where she cannot stand polyester. And I was like, stop being a baby, put it on, it's soft. But she said she spent too much time in the 60s and 70s, and so she can't wear polyester. But I don't know what's happening, because in the last couple years, I'm like, no polyester. Yeah. Also, it has the little tie front, which is cute, and I like it on other people. I just don't like it on me. I don't love a tie front. So other than that, it's great. I do think it's a good fit, and it's a cute shirt. There's things about it I don't like. So I'm gonna go try on the next shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and the gray shirt is mine just because I wasn't sure what to put it on with. And the cardigan, though, is this rounded hem cardigan, which I really like. It's soft, kind of t-shirt material, stretchy and lovely. I would wear the heck out of this. Just like with my PJs. It's got big fun pockets for my cell phone to go in. This is cute. All right, so you have to tell me what you think about these pants because they're kind of weird for me. They're the green, kind of speckled black and green. They have these zip pockets. They're gathered at the bottom. I don't know about these. I don't feel like I like them, but they look better than I thought they would. What do you think? I don't know. They're pretty comfy. I feel like when I sit down though, my rear end might hang out a bit, just the way that they're cut. I don't know. I don't know about these. Tell me what you think. All right. Oh, I want to show you one other thing. I just got these. I showed these in another video I did. They're Minnetonka slippers from Evereve, and they're 45 bucks, and I am loving them. They're just so fun and silly, and that's exactly what we need right now. All right, let me go put my regular clothes back on. We'll go over prices, and I gotta make some decisions. I'll be right back. All right, before we look at prices, I wanted to tell you about my idea I had for Christmas gifts this year. So we're not gonna be able to really shop much at the stores, and so most everything's gonna be online, and I started a little bit. So my idea for gifts is to get everyone things that are related to self-care, right? Or just taking care of yourself. So it depends on who it is, but maybe it's slippers, a bathrobe, PJs, maybe sweatpants and a cardigan. Maybe it's face masks and bubble bath and candles or tea in mugs or snuggly blankets, or, you know, there's a million different things. Maybe it's a bottle of Bailey's. I don't know, whatever their self-care is, and get them that thing for Christmas or a couple things for Christmas. And then I'm gonna put with them these things I found on Amazon, and they're like little journals, so little happiness journals, and they're lined, and they were only like each of them, I think it was a pack of 12 for like 12 bucks. They're so cheap. And I just thought this was the cutest thing to put with each gift. So yeah, that's a fun idea for a gift if you don't have any gift ideas for people, because it's so hard to think about what could they want. And you know what everybody needs right now? It's a little self-care. So there you have it. Steal it. You're welcome. Okay, let's look at prices. Okay, so the first thing are these. They're called Dear John joggers, and they're $78. I was real on the fence about these, unless some you guys come at me and like, those are amazing. I don't know. The pockets were all kind of funny, and they were zipper front. They're really, really soft, so if you like them, you should give them a go and ask for them, but I don't know about these. They're $78. I think they're probably great quality, just not me. Okay, the Key West top, the black top with the buttons, is $58, which I think is a good price. If this is your style, you should totally go for it. It just wasn't quite my style, so that one was a bit of a miss for me. The next one's a cardigan, which I loved, Z Supply, and it's $69. Totally, yep, get it. Yeah, I really like that. I could use a new cardigan, a black cardigan. How many cardigans does one person need? Just one more. Just one more. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, the jacket's $88. It does make me so happy. It's such a different color. Look at how fuzzy it is, but it's not fuzzy everywhere. Like, I don't need it to be fuzzy on the outside, because then it gets to be a bit too much for me. What do you think? I'm kind of excited about it. $88. Worth it? I think so. All right, the gray knit sweater. Oh, and that's by Metric. It's $69. I think that's a totally reasonable price. Seems like really good quality. It's a great style. I think it's a classic style. I really liked everything about it. That's going in the yes pile. The Mavi jeans, which got the booty approval from the husband, is $88. It's about right. That's a decent price for a good pair of jeans. I don't know if I need jeans, but they're super soft. I really like them. So yes, pile. And last but not least was the 3/4 length sleeve Dolman top in green, and it's only 54. Only 54. So cute. Was it cute? Am I crazy? Okay, I need feedback on all of these things. Just keep writing. Just give me all the feedback. I need your help. All right? Okay, don't forget to follow me on social media, Shawna Jean, PNW, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications so I cover everything. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.